All right, here's a good question. You've got motion of a spring that has an exponential function in it, because x or t is in there, and it has a cos function. Like, how good is that? D is a distance of inches, so this from the ceiling. So they say, how far do you think the spring is from the ceiling when the spring stops bobbing? Well, one thing mathematically, I would think that all this stuff here, this part of it, would be a function where it's bouncing high and then it gets smaller, as you can see down on the graph there that I graphed already. And so when it winds up at the end, this distance here would probably just be the vertical translation, because this would be, it would stop bouncing. So this part here of all the bounce, it would stop. So as soon as we're stopped bouncing, then probably the answer is going to be that. Now I've graphed it down below. So here's my graph. Let me bring it up a bit. Okay. So here's the graph. Let me shrink it a bit. Come on, there we go. So there's the sort of graph. I'm trying to let you see most of it. There. Anyway, at the start it was very big, and then it started going smaller and smaller and smaller. There, that's a little bit better. Look at it right there. Okay, so it gets smaller and smaller and smaller, and it finally finishes off just flat there. And if you look the distance up there, this is numbers 10, so 2, 4, this would be 6. So it goes up 6. Anyway, so I would say that the spring settles about 6 centimeters, inches, whatever the units are, away from the ceiling. Okay?